So much like InTouch, AVEVA Edge also has mobile access. It works similarly to InTouch in the sense that it works through an HTML5 compliant browser on your phone. All you need to do is run the mobile access configurator inside of your Edge development environment. Once that's done, you will have browser-based access to your application, as you will see in this video.
Once AVEVA is running again, go open your browser, log in again, go to screens, and this time around you'll see all the screens that you have selected. I'm going to close this here. A more efficient way to define and use screen on the mobile web access would be to define as a screen group. I've already defined a screen group here. Under this folder there's 3 different screens that I've specified. So once you specify the screen, select your screen group name, right click, and save as HTML. So once that flashing of the screen is done, which indicates that your screens are converted to HTML, open your browser and then punch in your IP address /MA, but this time around hashtag screen equals startup.sg. This is the same name as this name here. Once that's done, hit enter. They'll prompt you for user credential again and hit enter again. And this time around, you will start to load using your screen.
So the mobile access is essentially just the Edge web client that was mentioned earlier, except that it works on all devices that have access to a web browser like this, including mobile devices.